Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Did you know that wolves do not howl at the moon?
What?
It's a myth. They actually howl to announce themselves and claim territory, just like Tiff does.
Yeah, exactly.
That is
It's mine.
And that is just one of the tidbits from this super awesome book. It is called The Secret Lives of Animals, 1001 Tidbits, Oddities, and Amazing Facts About North America's Coolest Animals. I love this book.
So cool. The authors are Stacy, Tornio, and Ken Keffer. Thanks for being here, you guys. Welcome to the Morning Blend.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Nice to see you.
So we are like little kids, super excited about this. I love the fact I've been playing the animal game in the car a lot, where you have to like describe an animal, and so I'm excited to get some fast facts about different kinds of animals. So what brought you two together to write a book about animals?
So I have a background in writing and journalism. Ken has a background in wildlife biology, and
He's
we're
a
like,
scientist.
he's a scientist.
Right?
He's legit. He's the real thing. So if you find any mistakes in the book, you can blame him.
That's true. All the fact check was through me.
I like it. We're going to clear up a couple of things that we've talked about here on the show because I think it's fascinating. But what I love about you guys is you've written 4 books together before, right? This one was the toughest one, you said, because it's like little known facts about animals. So how do you find the little known facts?
It was awful.
But I love how they're like odd things about animals, because I'm like so into animal behavior, especially mating. I think it's fascinating.
Right?
Right?
That is, yeah, that's very true. You know, a lot of great like displays and sorts of, you know, ways to attract mates. It's very important and very fascinating. A lot of that in the book.
Yeah, like so how some animals mate for life, for example.
Yeah.
That's fascinating.
Yeah, you have the swans.
Yeah,
Swans
and
mate for
penguins
life.
too, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you? Is there anything while you're writing the book that surprised you that you're like, oh, didn't know that?
There's some things that still surprise me reading back through. I was like, really? That's got to be true because we fact checked it, but it's still so
Like
amazing.
what?
Like, you know, I mean, like just like anything. Like, I mean, like you said, like the jellyfish and the brains. Like, they don't have a brain. How can they exist, right? That every time I hear that, I'm like, how is that functioning
And
out
how
there?
are jellyfish not fish? Why is a jellyfish not a fish?
Is it because they don't have a brain?
Well, it's because they don't have something else, right? A spine, you know, they're invertebrates. They're like octopus and squid and
Yep,
stuff, and those
squids
fish have
fall
got
in
that
that.
vertebrae.
You got to have a spine to be a fish.
That's true.
You got to have a backbone.
Without a brain, aren't they just like a big amoeba?
Well, yeah, I mean, see, then it gets really like, you know, you're talking classification of predators. It gets so complicated.
Well, all those
Okay.
ocean animals are just like crazy complicated.
Oh,
so,
yeah. No, what's up with wolves? They don't. Oh, no, wait. I got to go in order. Okay, so let's first clear up a few things that we teased. Legs on a centipede. A lot of people are going to say 100. Is it 100?
It's not.
Can be 100, but it could be 30, it could be 300. You know, the thing about, we're talking classification, centipedes and millipedes. People are like, oh yeah, they're the same thing, right? Not even close, you know. With centipedes, they've got body segments, so do millipedes. Centipedes have 1 pair, 2 per segment. Millipedes have 2 pairs, they have 4 per segment.
Whoa, okay. And what is the only bird that flies backwards? So forwards and backwards.
It is the adorable little tiny hummingbird.
Yeah.
So did you guys know that one?
I knew that one.
Yeah.
I thought that one was a little easy because I mean, if you think about the way they feed, that's what they're doing.
It just amazes me that it's the only bird, though. It's like in all the birds in the world, like that's the only one.
They can fly backwards.
I think Bernoulli's principle has something to do with that, but that's a whole different conversation.
Yeah.
Okay, we kind of covered the wolf one, right?
Yeah, the wolf one, they don't
howl at the moon.
Okay.
All right. So for you guys, how did you decide which facts made it in the book and that you found were rare or unique that a lot of people wouldn't know?
Yeah, this is where Ken's background comes in because he's studied animals like all over the world. He's been to Mongolia to study camels even. So,
All right, as we go through these pictures, we went a little faster. We showed the badger a second ago. What's cool, unique, or rare about our state animal?
Yeah, I mean, I think with the badger especially, you know, I mean, here we are, Wisconsin badger stuff. Badgers are pretty rare in the state. You got folks that know that it's named after the miners for living underground, which is based on the animal, but, you know, it's not directly to the animal. You know,
I would
they're
think
more
it'd
popular
be
out
mean.
west.
oh, they're mean.
Super
And
aggressive.
here's the cool thing about the badger: they can give off a scent just like the skunk.
No way.
Yeah, they're
they
closely
can
related.
I did not know that.
Okay, so how about the moose? We had a picture of a moose. Was there something interesting about moose?
So great. I mean, they're huge. I mean, like they tower above me, these big old 40-pound antlers and stuff, you know, but they're like super. They can be aquatic. They can swim around. They can spend 30 seconds underwater eating the plants underneath the pond and stuff.
Yeah, giant thing just like going down.
What about the jaguar?
Yeah, so we talked about things that people don't associate with, North America. You can find, I mean, there's been a handful of reports from, the Arizona, Texas, the borderlands, the jaguars coming into the United States even, The other extreme, like walruses, like you don't think of them as North American, but yeah, up there, kind of, the Alaska area and stuff. Such a great diverse range of animals that can be found in our own country.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, pelicans. Anything interesting there?
Okay, pelicans are in Wisconsin. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people think of them as ocean birds.
Yeah.
But there's pockets of pelicans all over the United States. And up in Horicon Marsh, there's a great population of pelicans.
I used to collect salamanders as a kid. There were tons of them. I don't see so many anymore. What's fascinating about them?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's fascinating that people just don't even know they're around. I mean, I bet if we took a poll, people are like, oh, there's salamanders in Milwaukee County? Of course, there are so many different species. There's a bunch. There's like a blue spotted, there's a tiger, and all these things, but you don't see them very often. So it's kind of these things that people forget about because they're not big, out there. So.
They can also regrow if they lose a toe, they can regrow it.
A whole toe?
Yeah,
wow.
I love that. Just like the starfish can regrow an arm. The salamander has that power too.
We had a guest on the show who had that small garden snake or gardener? Garter snake. And what was fascinating was how you can tell the females from the male snakes.
Right.
Do you know this?
Well, I mean, you can insert and look for the hemipenis, they call it.
Oh yeah. Oh, we
That's
didn't
getting
do
pretty
that.
technical. No, what were you talking?
No, it was something like
I don't know.
maybe that's like the
Were you like measuring the distance between the vent and the end of the tail?
Yeah, that was it. It was the distance.
That's better.
This is just turned into a different kind of.
You do like your reproductive facts, so I thought you were trying to stump me.
I'm going to use that, though. Like, next time you meet someone, like, hey, you want to know something about my penis?
That was good. There was scorpion on the list, coyote, skunk we didn't get to. It was awesome to have you guys here. I can't wait to hear about your next book. That was awesome. Okay, first of all, here's the information so you can find the secret lives of animals, all these great tidbits, oddities, and amazing facts. You can go to destinationnature.net. And we're giving away 2 books right now to callers 7 and 8. So call us at 414-799-4444. We're giving away a book each to those lucky callers. Great to meet you guys.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Back
It's like
again.
a great team.
We're going to do some more quizzing.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks so much, guys.